Hey, what's up? It's Elizabeth from Allrecipes. I'm super excited to show you how to make a fun fall twist on a classic. Let's make an apple cranberry pie. It's super easy and it's gonna make my kitchen smell so good. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Peel, core, and thinly slice 2 1/4 pounds of apples. Then in a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1 cup of dried cranberries, 2/3 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice. You can also go in with a little bit of cinnamon if that's your thing. Mix apples with your dry mixture and 1 1/2 tablespoons of brandy and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place a prepared pie crust into a 9-inch pie pan so that it hangs over the edges a little bit, and then pour the filling into the crust and cover with another crust. Seal the edges and cut slits in the top to vent. Bake at 375 degrees for 60 to 65 minutes or until the apples are tender and the crust is nice and golden brown. This looks and smells so good. I'm so excited to give it a try. The cranberries and the apples are the perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. It's really not too sweet, and this is gonna be the best addition to your holiday feast. I really hope you try this recipe. And if you have any other fun twists on classic apple pie recipes, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you liked this recipe, stick around for another fun fall cranberry dessert.